Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix PUBG network error login failed. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you about two solutions. So the first one is you need to go to your Wi-Fi and click on more settings. Now click on the arrow icon beside your Wi-Fi and scroll. Here you can see IP settings, which is DHCP. Click on it and make it static. Now here you can see DNS1 and DNS2, these two options. In the first option, just change it to DNS 8.8.8.8, and the second option, change it to 8.8.4.4, and after that click the top right arrow icon. Now the second solution is to download a VPN. So for that, go to Play Store in your device, and in the top search bar search for VPN, just like 1.1.1.1. You can use this VPN to launch PUBG. This is a very good VPN. And if you can't install this VPN or it is unavailable in your region, you can also try other VPNs, just like VPN FI, this one. Just install this VPN or the other VPN and launch PUBG, and by that you can just enter PUBG without login error. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.